Hold on, there's a truck going by. Let's see. Yep. You can tell me when you blare scones. Oh look, this is not what I meant to do. Hello to everyone who clicked on this video. I'm Simi and let's get ready for school. Okay, I look like one of those like really like hyped up teachers who are like, are you ready for school? Are you ready for school? But I'm not ready for school. So it's just the enthusiasm that's coming over the camera, but like that's not really how I'm feeling. So like, okay, so for today's video, I wanted to show you guys like natural back to school makeup routine using all drugstore products, because why use your high-end stuff for like school, you know, like you want to save that stuff for the special occasions. And so that's what I'm gonna be doing today, just showing you guys like a natural quick makeup routine that's like easy to do in the morning, because I know like when you wake up in the morning you're feeling like super tired still, not wanting to go to school. So this is just gonna be like super simple and school like ready. So yeah, if you want to see how to get a good easy makeup natural drugstore, so many words going on, makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put a primer on my face. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. So I know a lot of people have started school already, but like I actually do not start for quite some time. I still have the rest of this week, and then I have next week as well, because I'm starting college this year. Really nervous about that. I don't know what to expect, honestly. And going from a small school to a big school is going to be weird, but it's going to be okay, I think. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna go in with another Maybelline product, the Maybelline BB Cream in Fresh and the Light Medium Sheer Tint, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. This is so good. I love this, one of my favorite products. It has an SPF of 30 in it, so keep getting your sunscreen on. So, like I said, I'm going into my freshman year of college, so comment down what grade you started this year or what grade you will be starting depending on where you live. Okay, so after that I'm going to be taking concealer. I use the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer in the shade 10, lightest shade Ivory. This video is not sponsored by Maybelline. I know everything I've used so far is Maybelline, but not everything is. And so what I'm going to, ooh, I can't open it because of the primer. Okay, I got it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, like that, and then anywhere that I have a blemish on my face that I feel needs covered. So I'm gonna look in the mirror and do that really quick. So this is my first year since the 7th grade, so 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, and 12th grade for 6 years that I get to go school shopping, because my school was a uniform based school. So I'm like really excited. I actually did a little bit of shopping, but not enough to do like a back to school like outfits yet. But when I have all my outfits, I'm gonna do a back to school outfit, like outfit ideas. I'm really excited because like I just haven't been able to do it for so long, so it's like a little kid like throwing them into like a big world, like a lot of fish. There's a lot of fish in the sea out there, guys. Alright, so just cover up all those blemishes. If you guys want a video on how to make uniforms, like how to style uniforms to make them cute, like I got you, because I did it for so long. So just comment that down below, and I will literally, if one person comments, I'll do it. So just comment that down below. Yeah, so got the concealer. You don't want to look tired, you gotta get rid of those tired bags, you know. If you gotta put a little more, do it, girl, because you don't want to look tired. You want to look like you just had like 10 cups of coffee and you're like ready for the day. You know what I mean? Okay, after that I'm gonna take powder and set my face. So the powder that I'm gonna use is this number, well, you can see the reflection, that is so weird. This number 7 pressed powder, translucent. It's just translucent, and then I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. After that, I'm gonna be taking the L'Oreal Havana by Camila Cabello collection bronzer, sunlit bronzer, that looks like this, and in the light and medium. And so I do this kind of weird, I'll like explain as I do it. I like take the brush and then like put it on the brush, and then kind of like a little dot, and then like blend it all over the brush. And then I'm just gonna put it on like the cheekbones, over around, you know, make you look bronze, and you just got back from summer, so you gotta have that summer tan. You can't look like you sat inside all summer, even though you might have, like me. So I think my first class for 2 days a week is starts at 10, and it's nutrition, and I'm like really excited for it. Probably more excited than I should be. That, and then my other first class at starts for 2 days a week is at 8:30, and it's speech class. So like I gotta have like 3 shots of espresso in me, ready to give speeches at 8:30. Who's ready to give a speech at 8:30? You know? No one raised their hand. No one was like me behind the screen, because no one is ready at 8:30 to give a speech. And if you are, good for you. But I probably won't be. Okay, so after the bronzer, I'm gonna put some blush on. I'm gonna go with the powder, and because this also is like a highlighter, so it's like a 2-in-1, so like you get it done in half the time. So I'm just gonna put this on the apple of my cheeks and just kind of drag it out a little bit. So after I do that, I'm gonna be taking eyeshadow and just applying it. You guys are gonna see this is like not next level eyeshadow. This is whatever comes before beginner eyeshadow. So don't worry. It's this little L'Oreal 4-pack in Summer Dusk. So like I said, affordable, good, easy. I'm taking this one and this one and blending it in my crease. I'm gonna take the crease brush, make sure it's not really deep, and just blend that in the crease just to give a little definition. Next, I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara and just apply that to my lashes. So I have to use a mirror for this, because if we don't, we're gonna have to start all over, and no one wants to rewatch me do my makeup all over again. Oh, okay. There was like something like, I think it was my highlighter, and like reflected off that and did like a little, like it like shimmered. So the last thing I'm gonna add for my back to school makeup look is some lip gloss. So I just have this L'Oreal Havana Camila Cabello one in Serendipity. Really good, really natural, perfect for school. So let me apply it all on. Ew, did you guys hear that noise? Listen. That is so disgusting. Listen. Ew.
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? I said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. I'm standing at my locker and all the boys keep stopping.
So this is the finished makeup natural drugstore back to school, whatever you want to call it, look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. You couldn't even see my thumbs, so that's really good. So give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down video ideas that you have for us. And that, I think Bianca will see you on Monday, because no, we will both see you with the video on Friday.